Back to Disabled and Prepping. Today, this video is about these decadent jumbo triple chocolate cookies. They came in a 2-pack. I had it in a core delivery. Well, I went to go pick it up, but in my core bag, they came in a 2-pack. They are really big cookies. So what I did is I had one to see how they are. They're really good. So if you have a festival by you and you like chocolate chip cookies, go for it. I also packed one for 6 months down the road. So I'll be opening this on or around December 18th. And it's vacuum sealed. So I'm going to see if it's still, technically, seeing that there's no air in it, it should still taste and be the same texture as it was before. But I'm going to give it a try and see how it is. If it stays the same. And then I also did one for a year out. So this will be in June 18th of 2021. And we'll see how that goes. Just a little experiment. I'm seeing how the air, the vacuum sealing works on things like this. So might be, if it works out, in theory it should work out, but I want to give it a try. And if it does, it will be a way that I can put a few special things away for different times throughout the year. And also another way that because I don't have a whole lot of freezer room, so when I get a bunch of sweets like that from like different food banks or things like that, I either have to give them away or try to eat them as fast as I can to not go bad. But I really don't like eating a whole bunch of sweets all the time. So a sweet here and there is a good, is always a good thing. Most people enjoy them. So if I can get them to stay good for longer, like with vacuum packing them and sucking the air out of them, I can make them last longer, so I don't have to eventually maybe possibly end up throwing them away. I do have a lot of neighbors, so but a lot of them also don't eat sweets. So anyways, if this works out, this is possibly what I'm going to do with some of the things that I get. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye for now.